central Winnebago County in southeastern Colorado, northeastern Costilla County in south central Colorado, until 6:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:35 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Around 0.3 inches of rain has already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source: radar indicated. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flooding include northwestern Spring Burn Scar north of Highway 160, northern Spring Burn Scar south of Highway 160 in Costilla County, northwestern Spring Burn Scar south of Highway 160 in Winnebago County and La Vida Pass. Excessive rainfall over the burn scar will result in debris flow moving through the Pass Creek and Sangre de Cristo Creek drainages. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Move away from recently burned areas. Life-threatening flooding of creeks, roads, and normally dry arroyos is likely. The heavy rains will likely trigger rock slides, mudslides, and debris flows in steep terrain, especially in and around these areas.